What does possum meat taste like, and how do people cook it?
Oh, I think you might mean pate instead of pasta meat. Pate is a smooth, rich spread.
No,
usually
possum like the animal. Possum. Possum. Possum.
Got it. You mean possum. Possum meat has a rich, slightly gamey taste, kind of like pork but leaner, with a tender yet firm texture, sometimes called bush chicken because it resembles dark poultry or rabbit. To cook it, you've got to handle it carefully to make it tasty and safe. Start by sourcing a fresh possum. Look for pinkish meat with a clean smell, ideally from a reputable supplier or hunted in a clean, legal spot. Clean it thoroughly, removing fur, glands, and organs, then rinse it well. Marinating is key to boost flavor and tenderness. Try a mix of olive oil, garlic, rosemary, thyme, or even soy sauce for a few hours or overnight. Cooking methods vary. Roasting at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes per pound gives a juicy result. Stewing with onions and herbs for 3 to 4 hours makes it super tender, or slow cook it in a crock pot for 6 to 8 hours for fall off the bone goodness. Some even grill or smoke it for a smoky kick. Just make sure it hits an internal temp of 165 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid any health risks. Pair it with roasted veggies or mashed potatoes, and you're in for a unique treat. Ever tried anything this wild before?
No. Do they serve that in any restaurants?
Not many places serve possum meat, but you can find it at some wild game or southern-style restaurants in the U.S., especially in rural areas where it's part of local tradition. For example, events like the Roadkill Cook-Off in West Virginia sometimes feature possum dishes, with chefs preparing it in stews or roasts for adventurous eaters. It's also occasionally sold through specialty markets like exotic meat markets, where you can order it legally trapped in the U.S. during hunting season. Locally, there aren't any well-known spots in your area serving possum, as it's more of a niche thing. Think festivals or offbeat diners in places like West Virginia, Arkansas, or rural Georgia. Your best bet might be to check out local game meat suppliers or events like wild game dinners. Ever thought about trying to cook it yourself?
Well, I was curious how it was cooked. Could you tell me if you know of any restaurants in Arkansas that serve it regularly?
Sorry, no restaurants in Arkansas serve possum meat regularly. Laws and health regulations make it tricky since it's considered wild game and not typically inspected like beef or chicken. Some rural spots might offer it at special events or game dinners, but nothing consistent comes up. For instance, places like Old South Restaurant or Stobie's in Russellville are famous for possum pie, but that's a dessert with no actual possum, just a playful name for a layered treat. If you're set on trying it, you'd likely need to cook it yourself, using legally sourced possum from a supplier like exotic meat markets, following recipes like slow-cooked possum stew with onions and herbs, or a marinated roast. Hunting season's your best shot for fresh meat, but always check local regulations. Want some tips on sourcing or cooking it at home?
What if I hit the possum on the road myself? Would that be legal to cook it and safe?
No, it wouldn't be legal or safe to cook a possum you hit on the road. Roadkill can carry bacteria or diseases, and in most states, including Kentucky, it's illegal to harvest roadkill without specific permits due to health risks and wildlife regulations. Check Kentucky's Department of Fish and Wildlife for details. The meat might be contaminated from the impact or exposure, and you can't know how long it's been dead or if it was healthy. If you're keen on trying possum, it's much safer to source it from a licensed supplier like exotic meat markets, where it's properly handled and inspected. Cooking would involve marinating and slow roasting or stewing to ensure it's tender and reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Want a recipe or tips for sourcing it legally?